guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khushi Maheshwari and I'll be super duper happy if you guys will take a little moment to subscribe to my channel below. So as you guys have read it by the title that I am going to do Urbanic haul. I was quite excited to do this Urbanic haul because जब से Shein गया तब से Urbanic has taken over. Though Urbanic is a little costly comparatively to Shein, but yeah, it is giving those kind of dresses. I kind of like it. Basically जब मैं Urbanic का haul करने के लिए prep कर रही थी, so I had everything in my cart and my cart was like 20,000 plus because I liked so many things and I wanted to order so many things. Then at the delivery time, I don't like that, the delivery time thing, कि बहुत ज़्यादा time लेता है. So I thought of ordering it from Myntra because Myntra has Urbanic now. So yes, I have ordered products from Myntra and they came into I think 2-3 days max 5 days. एक ड्रेस का लगा था बस. That was quite accessible कि हाँ 5 दिन में आ गया and 30 days का return change process भी होता है Myntra का. So yeah, that was kind of great. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. I must say Urbanic packaging बहुत अच्छी आती है. I really like the packaging and Myntra वालों ने बहुत अच्छी packaging करके भेजी है. So for the very first dress, I am going to see this cord set. You can see the pants. This is so colorful, like so colorful and so comfortable. But I ordered it in L because I thought M का size यहीं तक ही आएगा and I wanted it to be quite long because I'm not comfortable wearing such short clothes. So I thought of that, but even L was small to me. Like L was even tight to me. As you can see, it is so colorful and the bottoms are so flary and pretty. And even the top is really pretty. I'll insert a picture of the model wearing it. See. How beautiful is this top? But it is too small and too deep for me. I really like the quality and the sleeves. It is... I'll mention all the size and prices and links in the description box. And I have my diary here, so I'll be reading the prices from here. It is for 1000 only. 1000 में ये मिलना बहुत अच्छा है. Ordered this in Myntra sale. तो Myntra sale की वजह से हो सकता है थोड़ी prices ऊपर नीचे हो. But yeah, I really like that the cloth is very पतला कपड़ा. So अगर आपको summers के लिए this is perfect कि पतला and comfortable, very good looking, very colorful. It's like proper summery vibe. So yeah, I really liked it, but I could not wear it and I will return this because it is not of my size. For the next dress, this is the dress which I'm wearing currently. You can see and I love this shirt dress. Love this shirt dress. I got this for 938 and I think it's a great deal. It's so comfortable. The cloth is so soft and it feels so classy even wearing it. And इसमें आपको कुछ भी exercise करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just put a normal chain and tops. That's it, and you will look perfect. इसके नीचे you can put sports shoes, heels, whatever. I have even styled it in a reel. I love this dress. I'm going to keep it for sure. I really love it. I have even paired it up with jeans. So yeah, jeans में भी बहुत cool लगता है ये. Next we have is this jacket. See, it's a Ziploc poly bag. And it's perfect for winters, like perfect for winters. I really liked the material. It's quite warm and cozy. बहुत अच्छी sleeves हैं इसकी. इसमें और भी colors available हैं. You can check them out. I wanted a jacket from so long. Wearing a crop inside and putting it in top, it will look great. I really like the sleeves. You can see. It was for 1379. A little costly, but I think winters के कपड़े तो ऐसे ही आते हैं, थोड़े महंगे ही आते हैं. Next is one of my favorite. Though it is loose to me, so I'm going to get it exchanged because मेरा size इसमें available नहीं है. So let's see क्या रहता है. मैं Urbanic से order करूँगी या फिर अगर size होता है तो I will. These joggers. I love these joggers. Love. They're so cool. You can just wear a crop and just put them. You will look fab. I really liked it. They're so swag and cool, you know, just, you know, fire. I really like the pattern of this. I think I'm going to get it from Urbanic only. I really like this detailing. ये नीचे का जो बंद हो जाता है, so it looks really baggy and cool. So I really like these kind of joggers. It is for only 812 rupees and I think it's a great deal. You guys should get it. It's really comfortable. Urbanic has this quality that the clothes are very comfortable, so I really liked it. Actually मैंने कुछ winter summer का देखा नहीं था. I just kept ordering because I was liking it. So next is this sweatshirt. This is the sweatshirt which says NASA. ये कल ही deliver हुआ है मेरे पास and it is like these are the sleeves. I kind of like this, but जो cloth मैंने expect किया था, this is not that cloth. I thought it would be woolen, but it is not woolen and it's kind of hosiery material which I don't prefer usually. I liked it. It's not that bura, बट या जो कपड़ा मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था वो नहीं था, इसलिए मुझे थोड़ा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट फील हुआ है. इट इज फॉर 623 एंड आई थिंक इट विल लुक रियली नाइस फॉर 623. अगर आपको ऐसे स्वेटशर्ट्स और पहनना पसंद है, यू शुड आई थिंक डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस बिकॉज इट्स फॉर 600. इट्स अ ग्रेट डील. It's a crop sweatshirt though, so you can just check this out. I'll just mention all the links in the description box. You can see the packaging. मैंने अभी तक ये टॉप खोला नहीं because ये भी कल डिलीवर हुआ है. This is the packaging. It comes really nicely packed. Ziploc poly bag है. So this is the cropped cute tee which I ordered. It has all the butterflies on it, you can see, and the fire. I think it will look great with the fire wala joggers. This is a normal cotton tee which we wear usually. I liked it. It's for I think 423. Yeah, it's for 434. इसका प्राइस जो मैंने सेल से पहले देखा था मिंत्रा पे, इट वाज 690. सो आई थिंक 434 के लिए इट इज परफेक्ट. 690 के लिए इट्स लिटिल कॉस्टली बिकॉज 700 का इतना पिग्गू सा टॉप दो, बिकॉज इसमें कुछ ऐसा ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट अ प्रिंट. सो फॉर 700 इट्स अ लिटिल हाई, बट फॉर 400 इट्स परफेक्ट. सो या, कमिंग टू वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट पीस फ्रॉम दिस हॉल, this red dress. It is a little loose to me, but I like it a lot. यहाँ से you have that छोटा करने का बड़ा करने का option. It is like a night dress and I love it. I truly love it. It's for 623 and what else do you want? The original price of this is 990 and I think it's perfect for 990. If you want to go to a party or anything, you can just wear it and you will look fab in this and accessorize it with great things. So I really like it. The cloth is really comfortable and the cloth is quite soft. So next is this jeans. I haven't quite opened the packages yet, I'm sorry. This cool jeans. All rugged and everything, but it is loose to me. I am quite sad and मेरा size में available नहीं है. That is the most annoying thing which happens online shopping में. So this is very cool jeans. I really love the rug pattern and the bottoms. I would want ऐसे bottoms के साथ jeans because मुझे ऐसे bottoms बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. Fitted and it looks so pretty cool. So yes, this is loose, so I'm going to return this, but I really like the pattern and the cloth is really as well nice. You can see the pocket is also having the rug thing. So yep. If you guys want to go for jeans, you can definitely go for this jeans. The jeans is for 1113. I think that's a great deal. I would definitely go for it. बहुत सारे ऐसे ड्रेसेस थे जो मुझे पसंद आई. ब्लू कलर का ड्रेस था, I loved it, but it was out of stock. एक रेड ड्रेस थी, उसमें मेरा साइज अवेलेबल नहीं था. एक ब्लैक कलर की वाइड लेग जीन्स थी, उसमें भी मेरा साइज अवेलेबल नहीं था, but it was so pretty. जो प्लेन वाइड लेग जीन्स बहुत अच्छी थी. एक अरबानी की जीन्स अभी आप सबने बहुत देखी होगी, बहुत चल रही है. वैसे व्हाइट लाइंस होती है बीच बीच में. दैट वाज आल्सो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक. सो यार मिंत्रा पे चीज़ें आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाती है जल्दी. आई विल से जल्दी बिकॉज मेरी सब विश लिस्ट में थी वो, बट वो जल्दी जल्दी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हुई. फिर वो आ भी गई एक दो चीज़ें, बट एक दो चीज़ें आउट ऑफ स्टॉक रही तो वो रह गई. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट इफ मिंत्रा से आप बाय कर रहे हैं तो आप, अगर आप कुछ इमरजेंसी है कि आपको एक ड्रेस चाहिए, so you go for Myntra. Otherwise I think you should go for Urbanic only. But yeah, Myntra has also great collection of Urbanic. जैसे Amazon पे Shein आया था वो तो बहुत गंदा था. So Myntra पे ऐसा नहीं. You can definitely go and check out. It's amazing. Coming to next, one of my favorite dress. This is a whole maxi dress of this beautiful color. I just love this color and the cloth is so soft. Like एकदम summery vibe है. And you can see here कमर के पास में कट है जहाँ पे ये बेल्ट आएगा. Here is the belt and this belt will go back. It will look really pretty. I really like this dress, but again there is a problem कि यहाँ पे जो कट है वो मेरे बहुत ऊपर तक आ रहा है, which is not acceptable for surely. So वो बहुत ऊपर तक आ रहा है and that's not looking good at all. Because innerwear वगैरह सब कुछ show हो रहा है, so that looks kind of bad. So I'm going to return this dress, but I don't know what's the issue, the size problem, और मैं छोटी हो गया पता नहीं क्या problem है. I would see if इससे छोटा वाला मुझे आ जाता है. I would definitely go for this one. I really liked it. This one is for 903 only. What else do you want? मतलब मैंने मिंत्रा की सेल पे मंगाई थी तो इसलिए मुझे बहुत सस्ती चीजें मिल गई. Next is this beautiful skirt. I really love this skirt, like love skirt. Mummy was like, क्यों मंगाई तूने ऐसी, ऐसा लग रहा है उल्टी पहनी है. मैंने कहा that's the fashion. I just love this. It is having this zip thing here and the button and I love this. It is for 1043 and I think it's little costly according to the skirt, but the cloth is really nice and it's quite stiff and it looks really great when you wear it. I would really recommend you guys to go for this. I love this skirt. Next we have some jewelry. मैं आपको एक एक करके दिखाती हूँ. This is a 3 का set. This is a lock pattern. This is a neck piece. Stars and butterflies हैं इस पे. And this is a choker piece with a white star in between. These 3 pieces I think I got in July and मैंने इनको बहुत तो नहीं पहना है. I have just worn this one too much. The star and butterfly one. इसको मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा पहना है. So I will say जुलाई में I think मेरे पास जुलाई या अगस्त मैक्स मैंने लिया था. मुझे याद है अच्छे से. The color has gotten a little off. Like जो gold होना चाहिए. That. The jewelry is perfect, but the color जो actually color is more important. इसका भी थोड़ा dull color हो गया है. इसका तो मैंने ज़्यादा पहना भी नहीं है, but yeah, इसका color भी थोड़ा dull हो गया है. So I think this was for 290 or something. I didn't remember. I'll mention the price. Next, I ordered these pretty earrings. These are the cute earrings, which says chill. I hope you can see chill. So these are the cute earrings which I really liked, and these are for 273. I think for 273 going for earrings that is a little costly. वो भी इतने पिद्दू से earrings, like कुछ heavy earrings वगैरह हो, like कुछ heavy earrings हो शादी type वाले. So I would say that कि 273 में थोड़ा costly लगा मुझे. But हाँ ठीक है, it's nice. They're in trend and they're classy. So it काफी stiff भी है, ऐसे टूटे फूटेंगे भी नहीं. I hope so. But 273 is a little costly though for earrings. But I liked it. I like the quality. Though Urbanic has really good jewelry, बहुत कम ranges में भी. So you can definitely go for it. But Urbanic का ये है कि आप 990 की शॉपिंग करोगे तो ये आपको फ्री शिपिंग मिलेगी वगैरह वगैरह. So अगर आप 100 रुपीज़ का ज्वेलरी पीस मंगा रहे हो उस पर 50 या 70 रुपीज़ आपका शिपिंग चार्ज लग रहा है. So ऑटोमेटिकली वो 200 समथिंग का पड़ जाता है. The last thing of this haul, these very little pretty rings. These are the 6 rings again for 273. I'm going to show you each one by one. I hope you can see. This is a V-shaped. This is the diamond studded ring, जिसमें से कुछ diamonds निकल चुके हैं और मैंने इस ring को इतना नहीं पहना है अभी तक. This is the plus sign. I like this ring a lot. This is this infinity thing, and this is this plain thing. I hope you can see. Last ring which I really liked was this. I really like this ring and मैंने इसको हर दिन पहना है. And guess what? The color. इसका कलर चला गया है. You can see, you can compare even the color. देख सकते हैं आप. This has gone different color and this has gone different color. So yeah, again the color thing came. इसको मैंने मेरे को 7 to 8 days हो गए पहनते हुए. So that was quite disappointing. वो कलर चला गया, वो कलर उस ज्वेलरी में भी चला गया था तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. फिर तो मैं 100 रुपए का एक चेन खरीद दूँ एंड उसका भी कलर 8-10 बार पहनने के बाद चला ही जाएगा. So मतलब नहीं ना मुझे 273 का खरीदने का. My point here comes that. So yes, this was all for today's video. I really hope you guys have liked it and it was a useful haul for you guys. I like Urbanic, though few things are on a higher side. But few things are really nice. So yes, I would really like to shop again from Urbanic. And if you want a part 2, please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely do it in a while now. And I'll see you guys next time very soon. Till then, take care. Bye. Lots of love. And yes, don't forget to mention which outfit you will buy and you love the most on me. And I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye.